So before we get to number 30, let's take a look at the chart that I have below the question. It's dividing up the types of goods in the marketplace into four different categories, which are broadly described as excludable versus non-excludable and rivalrous versus non-rivalrous. So when they say rivalrous, um, what they're talking about is the fact that some things like food or personal items is that once you consume something, it's not available for somebody else. So it's a rivalrous product. Non-rivals means that even though one person is using it, like a private park, somebody else could use it too. It doesn't go away. So that's the distinction between rivalrous and non-rivalrous. And then excludable versus non-excludable means typically with any type of good, that you go to the store, you're excluded because if you don't pay a fee, you're not going to get it. Um, on the other hand, with a food store, I mean, there's not an infinite amount of food there. Once somebody buys the food and pays the price, it goes away, and then you can't buy it yourself. Um, as opposed to satellite TV, you still have to pay for it, so it's excludable. But once one person buys it, somebody else could download the signal too. There's no limit to the number of people who could use it, which makes it non-rivalrous. On the other hand, you have things that are not excludable. So, for instance, fish is a good example. You go to a lake and you could fish. There's nobody keeping you from fishing. Although in reality, we all know that governments put licenses and fees in place to stop you from doing it, and they put the size of the fish. But theoretically, if you just go down to the pond, you could go fishing. But of course, once you catch that fish, somebody else can't catch the same fish, so it's a rivalrous situation. And then if we go down to things that you cannot exclude and are not rivalrous, you look at the public goods, right? Pure public goods, and that's like the air we breathe or national defense, right? So you can't exclude somebody from the benefits of national defense, and once one person's defended, it doesn't go away, we're all defended. So those are your four categories. So let's go up to the question, which is going to answer itself now that we know the categories, and that is which of the following is the best example of a pure public good? So the answer is either air or national defense, and we see that national defense will be the answer.